Let's make this mini toilet commodes for the dollhouse. Let's start the video. We are using this paper roll for making the commode. Let's cut it into half. Use foam paper to cover the roll. Let's make the commode seat. Draw the oval shape and cut it. Let's stick the seat on the roll. Use small cutout of cardboard paper to support the cover of the seat. Stick the cover on the paper and cut the extra portion. Our commodes are ready. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.